This is a 2012 Dodge Charger. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include keyless go, a low tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, solar control glass, cruise control, a rear spoiler, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, halogen headlights, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. This Dodge has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.